We'll guide you through how to put a video in slow motion in CapCut. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Firstly, open up an existing project or create a new one and add the video which you wish to put into slow-mo. If you want to go and put the whole video into slow-mo, that's fine. And you can go and skip this next part because this next part is if there's just a specific part of the video which you want to put into slow-mo. For example, here, I just want where I'm throwing this peg to be in slow-mo. So tap on the video and then choose where you want the slow-mo to start, go to the bottom left and click on split, and then choose and drag along to where you want the slow-mo to stop. Then go to the bottom left again with the video selected and click on split. Now, if you want the whole video to be in slow-mo, tap on it, and if there's just a specific clip, go and tap on it. And then go down to the bottom again with it selected and click on speed, click on normal, and you can now go and choose how slow you want it to be. So you can go all the way down to 0.1 times. I'm just going to go and do 0.3 and then click on the tick in the bottom right. And now we can play it back. And as you can see, it's now in slow-mo. It's that simple. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.